All right, what's going on, guys? So I got a new phone. It came in the mail probably about 10 minutes ago. Got the S20 Plus in cosmic gray. I wanted it in blue, but they were out of stock, and I didn't want to wait for it. I even called around the stores, and they didn't even have it in blue, so I just got it in gray. Um, I decided not to get the S20 Ultra because I seen a whole bunch of reviews on it, and they just weren't up to par. So yeah, I got the S20 Plus, so I'm gonna unbox it. See what we got here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Man. Gray color. Oh man, that's sweet. Woo. Got 4 cameras on the back. Gonna set that to the side, see what we got in the box. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see. What are these, headphones? Yeah, we got headphones. So they got rid of the headphone jack this year, but I guess these go into the charging port, so that's pretty cool. So you still get your wired connection. Got your charging brick and cable, usual stuff. Nothing too extraordinary. Power this thing on. Ooh, pretty. See, there's no headphone jack. This thing feels official. It feels premium.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing set up. But yeah, I just wanted to just unbox it and show you guys. This is gonna be fun.